Hello student. Today's topic is overview of the mobile IP. Mobile IP means mobile internet protocol. Internet protocol addresses are fundamentally divided into 2 points: network identifier and host identifier. Means network ID and host ID. Means IP address, mobile internet IP address consists of the home identifier and the host identifier. Two things will be there with the IP address. Concept of mobile IP. This is the concept of mobile IP. It can be explained with the help of one example over here. Suppose a thing is that a person is resides in London and his work is daily move from one city to another city or from one state to another state. So that what happen, as we are using our mobile each mobile is under the one home router, and each home router consists of a routing table where the permanent IP address are located in the home register within for the home network. So see here 71.13.204.0 is the address of a network or the router, and within a router there are a number of hosts, means number of mobiles are connected to this one. As this home router number of devices are connected, means these are the home location, means this home router is the home location for all these are mobile devices or other or computing devices. So if a person is moved from London to anywhere, suppose here a Tokyo is to be given. So when we are moving from London to Tokyo, means Tokyo is having another routing address which is started from uh, 210.4.79.0. So with this router there are a number of devices, and these are the home location for for the other devices, mobile or computing. Okay, but when a person moving from London to Tokyo, it changes the network. As it changes the network, the router is not connected to this London's mobile. So the person will not use the mobile device or communicating devices in a other network. So to solve these problems, there is a mobile IP address. Means for each and every device, for each and every mobile or computer, there is always a home location. But when a device is moved from its home location to other location, for that situation, that is a foreign location, and in a foreign location the same mobile will not operate. So to do something such that this mobile can operate in other network, so that we required a mobile IP concept. Okay, are you getting? Difficulties of older mobile node solution. What are the difficulties that we are using the mobile in our home location, and when we are moving from this location to another location, then there is a difficulties to get connected with the network. So these are the tight binding of the network identifier and the host identifier. Means that there is only two real options under the conventional IP when a mobile devices move from one network to another network. As the IP address consists of home network network address and host address, it is tightly bind with the mobile. So when we are available with the another network, it is not possible to change this one. Change, so that the first position is difficulties is change of IP address. When we change the IP address of the host to the new address, that indicates the network ID of the network which is to be moved. As we are moving from one location, one IP address to one home network to another network, then IP address, if we can change the IP address, then we get connection with the other network. But it cannot be possible because our network identifier and host IP address is tightly bound with our devices. Decoupling, decoupling of IP routing from the addresses. We can change the way routing is done for the devices, so that instead of routing sending datagram to its based on its network ID, the route based on its entire address. So as we are changing the IP address, so that the each and every messages or each and every datagram is is can change the route. These are the difficulties in the mobile IP. Best solution for the mobile IP to resolve all these difficulties, to find out the new protocol specially supported to the mobile devices. So